Today I got my SofaBaton U2 remote here. It is amazing. My kids destroyed the other remote, so I had to find something that would work my Samsung frame here.
That's the remote, Daddy.
It comes in this really nice box. So you're gonna open it up and then it takes a little bit of wiggling to get it out of there. Well, once you got it out, it's really nice looking. It feels nice in your hand. In the bottom of the case, there's 2 batteries. You're gonna pop the back off, then grab your battery, install one at a time, one up, one down, and bam, close up the back, and we're ready to get started. So what you gotta do is download their app from the App Store. Once you download the app, you gotta connect to the remote using your phone. You're gonna be able to choose your television from a big list of televisions. You find out your model number, and you go in there. Mine was a little off with the numbers, but it was close enough, and it seemed to work pretty perfectly. So I have a Samsung frame. What I did to find the model code of my TV was I signed in here, and it's UN65LS003. It will then program your SofaBaton to your television or anything else. Once you've downloaded the software onto it, it shows up right there. And you can hit the button on the remote and it works just like your other remote would. You can add up to 15 devices, which work from as far as 35 feet away. It works with Bluetooth or infrared and is compatible with 500,000 devices. If you're looking for a new remote, I recommend this one from SofaBaton.